Join us at the Shuttleworth Pageant Airshow on Sunday the 6th of September 2015. Today is about the aircraft and vehicles that make up the collection. Many of these were collected personally by Richard Shuttleworth and are preserved in his memory today. The Shuttleworth Pageant Airshow will showcase the collection's aircraft and vehicles at their very best and demonstrate just why so much hard work goes into keeping alive the passion of this collection. It's so important to keep these historic aircraft airworthy and vehicles running as intended so that current and future generations can enjoy them and appreciate fully the history they bring to life. At the Shuttleworth Pageant, if we can make it fly, drive and ride, we will. So enjoy watching the very heart of the Shuttleworth collection on display. Live music today is from Perfect Vintage, and with a motorcycle parade and a historic vehicle parade and free creation station featuring Airfix model making, there's plenty for the whole family to enjoy. Don't miss the free Swiss garden tours or a chance to enjoy some lunch in the Shuttleworth restaurant. Why not finish your day with a trip to our well-stocked gift shop to get a memento of your visit or pick up a souvenir program. Gates open at 9 AM, flying will commence at 2 PM for the Shuttleworth Pageant Airshow on Sunday the 6th of September 2015. Shuttleworth, where the history comes to life in the present. You can book online at www.shuttleworth.org/pageant.